Welcome back. Continuing the news, the government is appealing to persons to cease and desist from creating mischief and unnecessary panic by deliberately spreading fake news online. Amidst growing anxiety over the COVID-19, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is urging persons to stick to traditional media. Giovanni Dennis reports.
This notice was heavily circulated on social media this week, claiming schools were closed. And while that announcement came today from the Prime Minister, this document is fake. It appeared to be from both the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Health, but really was rumor mongering. The Prime Minister on his Twitter page dismissed the speculation. Today, State Minister in the Ministry of Education Alando Terrelong lambasted posts like these.
We're asking all Jamaicans not to cause panic, just to be calm as we get through this together. It is one Jamaica for all Jamaicans, and fear-mongering and mass hysteria and fake news will only serve to be disruptive.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has been echoing similar sentiments.
The truth is that the media landscape right now, particularly with non-traditional media, allows everybody to be a journalist or to at least report something. And that means a lot of mischief. And what my appeal to the country is to avoid that, because it helps none of us. And where you see that taking place, let's try to work together to correct it, because no more than ever, everybody needs to be on the same page.
He insists his ministry will be transparent with developments that serve the public's right to know.
So we have a media center that will provide information as required. Once there is a new development, we make that available to the public. I'm a big believer in being as transparent as possible. We withhold information to the extent that it relates to patient confidentiality, if it's going to create more harm than good.
The Health Minister says concerns and queries should be emailed to jacovid19facts@gmail.com or contact 876-542-6007 or 876-542-5998. In the meantime, the World Health Organization (WHO) is also grappling with fake news on COVID-19. It has labeled the spread of false information around COVID-19 as infodemic. The WHO says it is working with Facebook, Twitter, and other social media platforms to combat the issue. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.